congratulations sa inyong 5 years of relationship, no? Atong tanawa, no, kanang 5 years, mo translate po na sa inyong once-in-a-lifetime acting performance. And now, please choose your movie.
Parang okay, I'll choose Barcelona.
Ay, Barcelona, A Love Untold by, of course, the favorite and the famous love team. Sayang lang naman si Catherine Bernardo and of course si Daniel Padilla. Abi nung si James Reed din yung ikon. Anyway, our movie choice is of course Barcelona, A Love Untold. And of course, this is your script. May we request Miss Lizelle to please proceed here. And you may scan through, read through our script. Okay, you are portraying Mia and Ellie. Ellie. Okay, si Barcelona nangis na sa Spain, no? Okay, 1 minute timer starts now. 30 seconds. Ay, wala pa. Wala pa. Brag, ready na kayo si Ma'am Lizelle. No? Mura og iyan na ning gikuan jud, paabot, internalized pod over the 5 years. Charing. Hopefully dili ma-relate, no? Kay murag medyo sakit-sakit ra bang ato ang script, no? Pasinog na maka-relate dire, no? Relate ba sa script? Anyway, after the performance of our pair number 2. Okay, 30 seconds.
You know what? Naisip ko,
Usa. Kaduha na gito nga ready siya kaayo. Unya sa ma'am, napatay camera action. Okay na ma'am Lizelle, very excited kayo siya. Okay, karon na. Sige. Ladies and gentlemen, let's help them start their once-in-a-lifetime performance in Barcelona, A Love Untold. Lights, camera,
you know what? Naisip ko, it will help you to move on.
Move on from what?
From everything that keeps you moving on.
Stop acting like you know, own my pet. Stop acting like you own it. Kahit si Celine, nakasama ko sa lahat, na alam ang lahat, hindi pinakialaman ang mga desisyon ko.
Hindi ako si Celine, so stop comparing at me.
Hello?
Tama, hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine.
Celine is dead. Hindi na siya babalik. Ellie, pero hanggang ngayon, umaarte ka pa rin na parang nandito pa siya.
Oh my
Nandito siya. Dahil nandito siya.
Kung nandyan siya, nasaan ako?
Uy!
Anong lugar namin gustong magmahal sa'yo?
Ay! Diyos ko, Lord! And I felt that. Thank you so much. Let's give a big round of applause to our pair number 2. We have Sir Christian and Miss Lizelle.